Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Bosch Dishwasher E07 error code in 2026. So this E07 error code often appears when the airflow is restricted during the drying cycle. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to check the dishwasher air vent area for food particles, moisture blockage and mineral deposits. The blocked ventilation prevents proper moisture removal. So if cleaning restores the drying, the airflow restriction was likely the cause. But if in your case the issue still persists, the second thing that you need to check is for the filters and the drainage restrictions. So sometimes the poor drainage can interfere with the drying performance. So you need to inspect the clean main filter, fine filter and drain area. The excess standing water can create humidity problems and then it can trigger the E07 error. So after doing this, Bosch E07 commonly points directly to the fan failure. So you need to listen for the fan activity during the drying phase. If the fan is silent, noisy or inconsistent, the fan motor may be defective. So a failed fan often requires a replacement. Now sometimes loose or damaged wiring can also interrupt fan communication. So you need to simply inspect the fan motor connectors or control board wiring and moisture sensor wiring. So you need to secure any loose electrical connections, and if the fan resumes operation, it means that the issue may have been electrical rather than mechanical. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the Bosch dishwasher E07 error is gone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.